cinnamon sugar donut muffins. They are super easy to make, soft and fluffy from inside, so delicious. And making them is very simple. You just mix all your dry ingredients and set it aside. On a separate bowl, you mix all your wet ingredients. Here I'm creaming some melted butter with sugar, and once that's done, I'm adding some warm milk. Make sure your milk is warm. Give it a stir and then add your dry. Give it a good mix and make sure in the end you take out any lumps that could have formed. And that's it. It's pretty simple batter. Now take out your muffin tins. Here I'm using a small one and you'll find it on my Amazon store. Using a small ice cream scoop, but I'm only going to fill up 2/3 of it, and then it goes in the oven 190 degrees Celsius for just 10 to 12 minutes, and then you make the cinnamon sugar with some white sugar and cinnamon. So these are your muffins. You just put some melted butter on top, and then you straight away dip them in cinnamon sugar. They are so tasty. For the full recipe, please visit my blog.